Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I show you a new feature of Aiomatic of which you asked many times, and in the latest plugin update you will be able to use this feature suggested by you guys. So the feature in question is the importing of Amazon products by ASIN for the product Roundup writer and also for the product review writer. So if you want to make a list of Amazon products by ASIN and you don't want to use search keywords which can return any Amazon product from the product search, then you will be in luck as Aiomatic is able to do this for you. You will be able to go to Aiomatic product Roundup, and let me demonstrate this feature for you. So let's import some headsets, for example. These top 3 headsets are okay, and all we have to do now is copy their ASIN numbers. So the first ASIN number, paste it in the Amazon product Roundup writer in the Aiomatic plugin and add a comma. Go to the second headset, copy ASIN, paste it here, add also a comma, and get the third ASIN and paste it here, and now we can save rules and let's start importing. So keep in mind guys, this feature was suggested by you, so many of you contacted me, reached out and told me that hey, if there would be a direct ASIN search feature for the product Roundup writer, it would be super great. And yeah, I noted your suggestions and I heard them all, and now the Aiomatic plugin is able to do it. So I'm not sure why I am telling you that this is Aiomatic, as this is not Aiomatic. This is Aiomatic with the Amazon product Roundup feature. So I'm a bit attuned to the Amazon product writer feature, and I keep forgetting that this is actually Aiomatic. Okay, so let's go to the front end of our site. It's empty. And while this is processing, we will be able to simply sit back and relax. So here we have these 3 headsets, and the Aiomatic plugin is able to simply import the specifications and titles and images and write a nice review post based on only the Amazon ASIN numbers and Amazon ASIN text here, the ASIN codes. Okay, so keep in mind the Aiomatic is linked in this video's description. If you want to check it out, you will be able to find it down in the description. Okay, so writing a detailed product description can take a bit, especially if you write multiple ASIN numbers from Amazon, as Aiomatic will do multiple API requests for OpenAI to complete this article, so you can wait even up to 5 minutes for an article to complete. But in this case, let's hope it will not pass the 3-minute mark, as to not bore you guys with my speech. And if you want, you can also skip forward in the video, and here it is, the green check mark appeared. Hooray! Let's check here. This is the intro. This is the first, the second, and you will see also the third down there. Okay, so here are the headsets that we imported. Yeah, this is Aiomatic. You will be able to use ASIN numbers from the product search. Instead of keywords, use ASIN numbers, and you will be able to import nice products using Aiomatic. Okay, this is all. Go ahead and check Aiomatic and the ASIN feature. Keep in mind that it will work similarly for the single product review writer. Here you can enter only one ASIN number. And what I forgot to tell you, that you can also create multiple lines of ASIN codes. Just enter a different list of ASIN code on a different line and increase the number of posts, and the plugin will create a post for each line of ASIN codes, each comma separated list of ASIN codes from a new line. This is also a powerful feature, so if you want to create 4 posts, simply write 4 lists, different lists I suggest, of ASIN codes for Amazon products, and the Aiomatic plugin will write the product roundup post for you. Okay, so yeah, now I actually finished for good. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to pitch me your ideas because they are always welcome. And if you have suggestions, anything, let me know in the comments of this video. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.